Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Samsung Galaxy S26. Okay, we have two methods how we can restart our phone. First, and the recommended method is a reboot through the power menu. To do it, we need to launch our power menu first, and we need to hold the power key and volume down for around 1 second to launch the power menu, just like that. Now all you need to do is to tap on the restart button and then tap again to confirm. After that, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on again and your device will be ready to use. When it comes to the second method, that's the forced restart, and again we need to use the power key and volume down, but this time we need to keep holding both buttons until the screen turns off. Now this method is recommended, for example, when your device is lagged or frozen, or for example when the screen is unresponsive, when you cannot do anything. To perform a forced restart, we need to hold all keys, just like I was saying. Simply keep holding until the screen turns off. Okay, when Samsung logo appears and the phone vibrates, you can release the fingers from the keys, and now you just need to simply wait until the home screen appears. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.